Hi, I'm Jean.
And I'm Rachel, and welcome to Lettuce Bake.
Today we're making sunrise smoothies.
Hey Jean, do you feel weird?
OMG, Rach, I was totally gonna say that. But maybe it's just the creepy giraffe guy in the corner. Yeah, I'll be right back.
All good.
All good.
To make our sunrise smoothie, add an ice cube to each glass.
Now add a half a teaspoon of grenadine to each glass. Where's she going? To your blender, add half a peach,
A half a banana,
6 tablespoons of milk.
6 tablespoons of orange juice, and a handful of ice.
Put the lid on your blender and blend until smooth.
Isn't that refreshing? I'm Rachel.
And I'm Jean. Thanks for joining us on Lettuce Bake.
Jean, I think I hear our ride.